Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the command dial direction setting on your FUJIFILM X-M5. So what are we gonna do is we're gonna click menu. Now we're gonna go back, and here we want to make sure that we are in the button and dial setting. Now we're gonna swipe right, and we're gonna go over. We got the command dial direction right here. It's at the bottom of the first page. We're gonna click here and we can change it right here. As you guys can see, we can easily manage the first one. So we got the minuses to pluses and we got pluses to minuses. We can change it however we want it, and after we change it, we can easily see it after applying it right here. So this is very important to change it to your liking and your preference. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.